Hey, good evening, everyone. So, first of all, for a few minutes, I want to explain about the new indicators, which, right, basically, we wanted to make it more and more easy for the members to take the trades. So, I want to introduce them and then we'll take some live trades using the same indicators. So, the first indicator which we are introducing to the members is called as RC top trend. So basically, you don't need to look at so many different indicators or so a lot of confluence from different things, right? What we do on this indicator is you will only see for a buy signal. Whenever you receive a buy signal and it is also background is green, you just go long, right? For example, if you get a sell signal but the background is green, then you can just close the long, don't open a short, right? Because the overall trend is very bullish. So your sell can be very small time frame. So you will ignore the right, you will just close the long. You won't open a new short position. Again, you got a buy here, but immediately we got a so if you get a sell when the background is green, you will close the long but not open a short. Again, we got a buy. It is little choppy. So again, we got a sell. Right, it is up to us because the overall trend is green, right? How do you know what is the trend? If you look at the overall chart, which color is dominating, right? The green color. So that means the trend is overall very bullish. So you can even though sell, right? You got a sell or right, you have some red candles with the red background. You can always avoid taking the opposite side trends, right? Because overall, right, if this chart or channel is going right showing towards the uptrend, that means the overall trend is bullish. Or if you see the overall color, or if you look at the change percentage, right? If you look at the change percentage, silver is bullish, gold is moving up, platinum, Nasdaq, they are little bit moving up. Then if you look at the bearish stickers, Bitcoin, Ethereum, crude oil, they are the most bearish stickers. So you want to, whenever something is very bullish, you want to just stay with the long. That means you will avoid the sell signals. They might be only for 3, 4 candles, and again, silver will start going up. So in summary, whenever you see a buy signal, and if the color is background is also green, you will enter long. If you see a sell signal when the color is green or when the trend is bullish, you will just close the long positions. You won't open the new short positions. That's what we do. Uh, for example, let us take example of, and especially if you get right when the trend is bullish and if you get a buy at the bottom, that is very good opportunity. You will make three, four, $500 easily with one trade. So never miss such type of opportunities where you see the trend as bullish and you get a buy at the bottom with the green color as a background. That will make nice profits. In the same way, let us take an example of Bitcoin. Right, overall, Bitcoin is bearish, right? By looking at the chart or by looking at the overall, if you see like last 1 hour or last few candles, you will know like what is the overall trend, right? What is the majority of the color on the chart? You can see that right today once it's opened, then most of the time it is in red color. Last 1.5 hour, it is going up, going down. So again, if you look at here, the cell at the top, background is red. It started going down. It went further down, and so in this case, always look for the sell opportunity. So even if you get a buy opportunity, you will just ignore it. You will just close your short position and open for the next sell signal. You will not take the buy signals, even though the background is green. You get a buy signal, you will avoid taking the buy signals in this scenario, right? Hope uh, so it is very easy. You don't need to look at RSI, MACD. You don't look at any other confluence. Just only if the trend is bearish, you will wait for the sell and you will just take a sell whenever the background is red. You get a sell signal, you will enter a short. If a ticker is very bullish, like a silver or gold or platinum, whenever you see a buy signal, you will just enter the buy trade. Even if you get a sell, we can avoid it because, right, especially you have a strong support here, it may touch the support and again start going up. So we'll generally avoid the opposite trend trades. Any questions on this one? Right, this indicator name is RC top trend. So this is a top, right? We are looking at RC top trend indicator, which is very easy for anyone, right? Even you can teach to your kids. When if you see buy and color is green, just right, you can just go and click on the buy button because the overall trend is bullish. The ticker is bullish. You have lot of green on the chart. That means it is a bullish ticker. If you see lot of red on your chart, that is basically a bearish ticker, right? Just look like from today, right? Once market opened today from 5 p.m. last 2 hours, your majority of the color is red. That means Bitcoin, Ethereum. Tomorrow we may see a big drop on coin and all those crypto stocks again. So again, this is good for a bearish ticker. Whenever you see red color background and you see a sell symbol, you will just click on the sell and you can easily make nice profits. So this is very easy for even though you are a new trader, new to trading. You don't need to know anything. If you know green and red, buy and sell, that is good. Right? Whenever ticker is bearish, if the background is red, you see sell, that is the best time to enter. Whenever a ticker is bullish, right, you will wait for the buy signal. For example, if we get a buy now, right, the red might be only for 3 4 candles. It may touch this and again we may see a green color. Then we will enter the buy signal. Whenever you see the opposite signal, then you will just close the long position and wait for the next buy signal. We avoid the sell signals because the trend is bullish. Same thing for GC or even platinum. So this is for swing traders or new traders. This indicator is the best one where you can, if the color is green, right? For example, here you got a buy, it went up. You got a sell, you will just close the long. You won't enter a short position. Again, you got a buy. Again, you will enter long. It went all the way to the top. You got a sell, but you will avoid it, right? It might have went down, but better to avoid because still overall trend of gold is bullish. It is better to avoid the risk, right? Maybe again we may start seeing a green color, we may get a buy. If we get a buy on gold and if the color turns to green, that is the best opportunity. We can again make $200-300 with gold. So just by looking at the signal, when buy signal, green background is better. When you get sell signal, red background is better. And if you want to avoid any risk, just to look at the overall trend. If the trend is bullish, only take the buy signals. If the trend is bearish, only take the sell signals. Don't go the opposite to trend. Right? For example, crude oil. Right? Overall, crude oil is very bearish. So we'll wait for the sell signals. Right? As of now, it is choppy. Right? Since started first 1 hour, it was bullish. Next 1 hour, it was bearish. So we can avoid this type of when you see a clear trend, right? Especially when you have minus 1.4% within 1 hour, nearly 1% down within 1 hour. That means Bitcoin, Ethereum are very bearish. So whenever you see sell, and especially if you get the sell at the top, you will make huge money. For a bullish one, you have to look for the buy at the bottom. For a bearish one, you have to look for the sell at the top. So this indicator is for new traders or mainly who want to, right, take the trades without much, right, thinking much or without looking at too many different things. You can just follow this and you can take it, right? Or right, you can also set the indicate, right? We can set the alerts whenever you receive an alert. For example, you receive an alert on YM, right? What is the overall YM trend? Do you think YM is in bullish or bearish trend by looking at last 1 hour. Yeah, it is bullish, right? If you look at the overall, even lasted, right, from 5 o'clock, nearly lasted 2 hours, it was good. So we will avoid the sell signal, right? Whenever we receive a buy signal here, we can just enter. For example, it may come here and then again it may start moving all the way to the top. We can easily make, so we have to wait for buy. And if color also turns to green, that is the best opportunity. Same thing with ES, right? Last 2 hours, it was bullish. Now it is going little bit down, but we may get a buy signal in next 1 or 2 candles. And if it turns to green color, right, green and buy, best combination. Red and sell, best combination. So we'll wait for those and we'll take the signal whenever we get that. Same thing here. Also, it is more, right, last 2 hours it was bullish, last 1 hour, last half an hour is bearish. So if it is confusing, just avoid that. You got 40, 50 tickers, so you don't need to depend on only any one specific ticker. Whenever we receive an alert, you will see that. So this one, right, this particular indicator is mainly for uh, new traders who want to just follow one simple rule. Whenever a ticker is bullish, just wait for the buy signal and with the green background. Whenever a ticker is bearish, wait for the sell signal with the red background. Especially, right, but don't take sell close to a support. If you take sell close to resistance or close to the top, you will make huge profits. When it came all the way down, now it may go a little bit up and again drop. Crude oil may drop further, right? So that is how you will use for futures, right? That is the first one, which is very easy to use. We'll make some profits in some time. Let me explain you the second one, right? Let me show you the example one more time so you will understand the major difference between both. Any questions before I go to the next one? Yeah, these are custom indicators. You won't directly see them on TradingView. You have to get the access through us. Yeah. We may get a buy now, right? The red turned to green for gold, right? It was in a buy and then it came to sell. But because, right, the background color is green, as a new trader, it is risky for you to take a sell signal here, right? If you are a new trader, then better you avoid the sell signal because the background is green, but you got a sell signal. Just you will close the long position, right? You took a buy here and then you got a sell here. You will just close the long position and again you will wait for the buy signal. So most probably we may see a buy again now. Same thing for silver also, right? First I want to explain this so you will understand the major difference between this one and top trend. Top. So we got a sell now. Maybe in next one or two candles, again we will get a buy signal and it will go up. So as of now, gold is looking good, right? Because the green started. So we are just waiting for a buy signal. If we get a buy signal now, it will start going up. So once a gold we get a buy, then it may go all the way to 24.28 or 24.29. So we can easily make another $300-400 with one contract. So again, now we got a buy, right? If we want, right? We are just waiting because the candle is still red in color, right? When you get the buy, the first condition is the background should be green, which is good, right? The background is green. The second condition is the candle color should turn to green. As of now, still it is like a red candle, or right, it is more like a doji with a big wick at the top, big wick at bottom. So we are waiting for a green color candle to take the buy. Mostly it will go up, but just for confirmation, we are waiting for a green candle. Same thing. Let's also look at silver. Silver also, you can see that we got a buy now, right? And background is red, background is green. The candle is also green. So I can go and let me close. So now I can go and so I can enter a trade. I can just go and I can submit my order. So we are trying to go long on silver. So instead of buying at market price, I'm trying to do a limit order. So we may get it at a little cheaper price. because directly if you buy it 31.67, you are already paying $50 more than the. So if I want, you can just move it one more tick. Right, you got it right because the back we got a buy signal. The background is green. The candle color is green. So we got a long on silver. Now same thing. Let us go to GC and watch it. Gold also we got a buy. The background is also green. The candle also is green. So I can go and enter. Right, I entered long on gold. I entered long on silver. Because it satisfied our condition, we should get a buy signal. It is a bullish ticker. We should have a green background. The candle color should be green. All the conditions satisfied. So we entered long on gold and also long on silver. If we give some 30-40 minutes, we'll easily make $400-$500 for each account. Yeah, these are my Apex accounts, my PA performance accounts where I'll make the real money. Yeah, once first I want to explain you about the indicators and then I want to provide the access, right, to the existing members. So already, right, this made $175, right? 175. uh, if you copy it into another 10-20 accounts, then you are basically combining all of it. Again, it can go all the way more, but if you are happy with $200 within 5 minutes, you can also close now. But there is more potential, right? Because as I said, overall the ticker is very bullish. Gold made another $110, 120. Right. Again, I just took one contract, but because it came at the bottom, the trend is bullish. Even you can, right? Once you gain confidence, you can also go with two contracts like that. Again, you can take in personal accounts, you can take in prop firms. It is up to you. Where you want to take, it is completely up to you. Just only simple rule you need to follow. If you get a buy signal, background is green, you go with long. Let me, right, because these are my performance accounts, let me take profit. Nearly $200, right? It is like a performance account, PA account. So, you know how much time you spend? Less than 10-15 minutes. You already made some $350 with silver and gold. It again, it has more potential. It can go nearly to 29, 24, 29. But let me take profit, right? Already $200, right? $200 in less than 5-10 minutes. So that's it, right? Silver up, right? Because the trend is bullish. We identified these tickers are bullish. So we waited for the buy signal. We waited for the green background. We waited for the green candle. That's it. All the three conditions satisfied. You quickly made nice profits. Same thing with gold also. We got a buy. We waited for green candle, green background. You quickly made $200. So if you take one or two trades, right, just to spend between this time, right, in the evening after your office hours, then within 1 week you will complete your evaluations and then you'll get performance accounts. You can trade on the performance accounts. So I hope this one is clear, right, for everyone, right? When to do buy, when to do sell. If the color is green and if you get a buy, you go long. The color is red, you you can go sell. You can go if the color is red and you get a sell. You can do it, but again, if you are a new trader, you look at if it is upside, then just to only take the buy signals. Whenever you get sell, you just close the long. If you are an experienced trader, you can take on both the sides. Otherwise, just to focus on just long trades whenever you see more green color. Short trades whenever you see more red color. Right now, platinum also came down. Right, it went up. Again, we got a sell signal. Background was red. It came down. Now we may, right, again green background is starting and we are at a support. If we get a buy signal now, again we'll make 100, $150 easily with platinum with one contract in one account. If you multiply that with 20 accounts, 30 accounts, you can do the same thing. You can scale up as much as you want. Within 1 day, they will give you the performance account. Once you complete the evaluation, next day the performance will start. Net SPY features are nothing but ES, right? If you're taking trades on ES, that is basically like your SPY. So again, it was a green, it went up. Again, we got a sell, but because the trend is bullish, if we if it comes little bit down and we get a buy signal, so if you get a buy below, that is the best. If you get sell at the top, that is the best. Okay, anyone has any questions? Right, yeah, instead of cloud, right, this is more easy for members, right? Sometimes you may get confused with the cloud, but here you have everything on the same chart. So immediately when you get a buy, if the background is green, you can quickly take the trade. So yeah, silver is moving huge, right? As I said, it may go all the way to the top. So this is the first one. Let me mainly tell the difference between this one and the so this is more for little experienced traders or who are more experienced, right? Who want to do scalping. right? The strategy, the logic is same thing. Only thing is there you will, right, your color will hold green for more time or red for more time, whereas here it will quickly change, right? For example, you got a cell here and your background is red. You can take it. You got a cell here, your background is red. So you can take both the side trades. If you are a scalper, you can use this RC top indicator. Again, it is the same concept. Whenever you get a buy, if the background is green, you will go long. Whenever you get a sell, if the background is red, you will go short. Right? There, for example, same thing. Let's go to gold. So here you got a sell signal, right? But because the background is green, you may not, right? You may not take it, right? Which is okay for the new traders because the trend is bullish. It shows the overall trend, right? It shows like the higher time frame trend. So, right, you will only take the buy opportunities when the background is green. Whereas same thing, if you see here, right, the background became red color. So even you can take the sell opportunity, take advantage of this one. So if you are an experienced trader, you want to take both sides and make profits on both long and short, you can use the RC top indicator, where again sell with a red background is good opportunity, buy with a green background is a good opportunity. One is for little more experienced traders, one is for mainly new traders. So you will avoid the opposite side trends and you will only look at the, if the color is green, you will only look at the long. You will not take the short. So that is the major difference between the top trend and top indicators. One is more like a scalping indicator. The other one is where you can hold for more time, right? We got a buy here. You can wait for more time to, and you want to, as long as the color is green, you will not enter the short side trades. Yeah, basically this top trend has everything like RC channel bands. So yeah, it has alerts, it has candles, everything. Yeah, it is also available in Ninja, but we want everybody to, right, once you get used to the manual trading, then you can, right, you will understand using the algos in a much better way. So we want you to start with these ones. So now everything, all the logic is included in this RC top trend or RC top. You can use the same 5 minute during US time, 3 minutes during non-US is also fine. So it will be very, very easy for any new traders also. Just use the symbols, use the color. You don't need to look at multiple indicators or multiple things, right? Let me show you, right, how we can make money with stocks, right? Same thing. Let us say, let us look at some stocks. So for example, here, right, the trend is bullish. You got a buy at the bottom. You can buy the stocks at the bottom, right? Because the color is green. You got a buy signal, you buy the stocks, right? Same thing. You got a, right, green color background. You just buy the stocks. You get a sell, you just ignore it, or you wait for the whenever, for example, you got a buy immediately, small sell, so you won't short it immediately. You got the buy signal, you will just hold it. All right, you can also buy option calls. You get a buy, and then if the background is green, you can do the option calls. For example, tomorrow morning we get a sell, right? If the background is red and you get a sell, you buy the puts, it will come all the way down. So whenever your background is red, you get a sell signal, you will make nice profits. Whenever your background is green, you get a buy signal, you will make nice profits. Right? So you can use with stocks, you can use with forex, you can use with crypto, you can use for futures, you can use with whichever you want. It is the same logic. Right? And let's go to the next one. Uh, yeah, silver, gold continue to go up. So when the trend is bullish, you don't need to worry, right? It won't. Price will never just go in one direction. There will be always some small pullbacks, but because we know that it came to the bottom, it touched the bottom, or it touched the support, it will go all the way. So you have a nice potential to make nice gains on silver and gold. Gold also you can see 24, 29. It went all the way to 24, 29 now. And yeah, platinum. Right. Okay. Now we got a buy signal on platinum. Do you think we can take it? Right. What is the overall trend? Right. You can see what is the percentage change. If it is positive, that means the trend is bullish. When we got a buy signal, what is the background color? Green. What is the candle color? Green. So all our conditions satisfied. So we can just go and click on trade. So it got filled. So we can just wait and take profits after some time. Right. Again, you take it in your personal account or prop firm account, your PA account, evaluation account. It is up to you. Right. If we stayed with this silver, we'd have made $700-800 already. But yeah, again, because I'm showing you different things. Right. I hope everyone clear with this top trend and RC top. Very, very easy to use. And it combines the logic from different indicators. It looks at all different things, and based on RSI, MACD, and all those things, it paints the background color. If the color is green, you get a buy signal, you can confidently enter long. Yeah, it is very user friendly, even for any new trader without any trading knowledge. If they know green and red color, they can easily do the trading. Right? Even for stocks, options, SPX, all those things. If you see green color and you see buy at the bottom, you will make nice profits. You see red color and you see a sell at the top, you will make nice profits. Right? Tomorrow I'll do a demo where we can make huge profits with options, and then let me also show you other indicators. So generally what happens is whenever stocks, right, as we know, generally price goes to the bottom and again goes up, again goes to the bottom, again goes up. So this screener will help us to show like which stocks are at the top of the channel, which stocks are at the bottom of the channel. Right? For example, tomorrow morning when we run, right after first 5 minutes or first 10 minutes, once market opens, we have to run this indicator. All right, we have to use this indicator. If you see this indicator, you will have some different SPY stocks, like it can be JP Morgan, BA, or AIG, XOM, CVX, HT. You can write if you want, if you don't want to trade some United Health, you want to some other stock, you can always click on this and you can select something else. When you write out of the 40, 50 stocks which we give, it will give us, right, okay, this stock is at the bottom or this stock is at the top. So if some stock is at the top, what is the possibility? In the morning, the stock is at the top of the channel and these stocks are at the bottom of the channel. So what is the possibility now in the rest of the day? What do you think can happen? Then there will be a reversal. Generally, there can, right? For example, these are from Friday. So for example, if you see ABT was at the top on Friday morning. If you go and look at ABT, this was like stock went up and came all the way down by the end of the day. It started somewhere here at the morning, it was somewhere here. By the end of the day, it came all the way down. In the same way, let us look at MA. Right, MA in the morning, it was somewhere here, it was down. By the end of the day, it went all the way to the top. Let us look at J&J. Right, it was somewhere here in the first 5 minutes. It went all the way to the top. So if the stocks which are at the bottom will go up in the later part of the day, the stocks which are at the top will go down later part of the day. So you can buy puts on these, you can buy calls on this, or you can do credit spreads on these ones, right? So 80% of the time, whichever are at the top will go down, whichever are the top of the channel, they will go down, whichever are the bottom of the channel, they will go up. So either you buy the stocks or you buy the option calls, you buy the option puts. In the same way, right? For example, you want to take NQ instead of SPY because NQ is more profitable. You can add NQ screener. Right? NQ screener, for example, Workday, McD, GALD, AMD, Marvel, Starbucks, all of them were down on Friday morning. At the end of the day, all of them went up. Right? So you can buy calls or you can sell puts on them. You will make nice profits by end of the day. Right? You can go and check right Starbucks. It was like when day started, it was somewhere down here. Near the end of the day, it went all the way to the top. Right? Even though market was up and down, right? It was choppy, but still Starbucks went all the way to the top. Let's look at Workday, right? Um, Started somewhere here. It went to the top from the bottom. it didn't move so much like others. MACD came down, went little bit up, but yeah, it did not move so much. It guild around 8:30. It came all the way down. Again, it went all the way up. Again, went all the way up. Minimum, right? You know, right? What stocks to look at. Now you can just write. For example, you got Guild or AMT in the list. Now you will just use RC top trend, right? And then you know that okay, AMD there is a good potential for it to move up later part of the day. So AMD came all the way down, right? In by morning 8:30, it was somewhere here. Later, it went all the way to the top. So if you buy option calls here at the support, you would have made huge profits, right? That is how you can use the other one. In the same way, right? You can also scan these ETFs or right again. If you go here, you have QQQ, SPY, DIA, IWM, TQQ, SQQ, SOXL, SOXS, XLU, XLE, XLF, all these tickers, right? Even you can have futures, NQ, GC, silver, crude oil. So if some, for example, RTY was at the top of the, right, at the top of the channel in the morning. Later part of the day, right, if you see morning around 8:30, yeah, it went all the way to the top. Then it came all the way down. Right. So you know it is good for short only. You can enable Prism or you can enable some algo on short only. It came all the way down. Or if you look at XLY, right? XLY. So on Friday morning, right? Because we run this in the first 5 minutes. You know what is so if you're on 8:30, it was somewhere here, right? Around 177. And then it went all the way to 178.80. Like that, you know where the stock is. Immediately you can use that. So if it is at the bottom, it will go up. If it is at the top, it will come down. So that is how these scanners, right? You have all crypto stocks, all ETFs, all futures, and you can run them. You know which tickers has high potential to go up, which tickers has high potential to go down. They will basically, right? They are saying that these are at the bottom. So 90% they will go up. If you see them at the bottom, they will go up. If you see them at the top, they will go down. Right? Reversal will happen on these ones. So the scanner is identifying such type of opportunities. If you enable the ETF scanner, it will tell like XLY, XLF, SPY, QQQ, which are at the bottom or which are at the top. If you enable the NQ, it will, right? You have all the tech stocks, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, Google, Tesla, Qcom, Meta, all these stocks. So we'll know which stocks can, if they are at the bottom table. If there is no stock at the top, that means there is nothing which can go down. If there are many stocks at the bottom, many of these stocks, 80% of them can go up, right? It is telling that all these are at the bottom at the market open. So they have high potential to go up. right? In the same way, we got forex screener. So you have so many tickers in the red color. That means they are at the bottom. All these will, all these went up. So every day morning around 8:35, we have to run these indicators. They will tell us which currencies can go up, which futures can go up or which can go down, which stocks can go up, which stocks can go down. So tomorrow morning I'll share you the list at 8:35. So at the end of the day, you can see like how much we can make each and every day with these ones, right? Because now I am showing the Friday results. Tomorrow we can see it in the live with the real time data. Right, I hope all these new indicators will be very, very useful, right? For stocks or options or for futures or for currencies, whichever you want, you can use them. You can run them, but right when the volume is not great, you may not get the exact results. Right. For example, if we run RTY, YM, the right, it is showing that this can go down. YM, ZW1, RTY. These are the tickers which it is giving a possibility of. Let us look at ZW. So, what is the overall trend for wheat? Right, it is bearish. So, if we get a sell signal now, right, and if the color is red, if we get right, it went to the top. It is at the top of the channel now, touched the resistance. So now immediately we can identify that okay, RTY, YM, ZW, these are the good candidates for short only, right? Because there is a high possibility for them to go down. So it is at the top now. Maybe in next 5-10 minutes we'll get a sell signal, and if it comes all the way down here, we'll make easily another $200 or $300, or it may break the resistance because overall trend is bearish, right? Since Friday it started going down, there is a little pullback. Maybe we'll get a sell signal in next 5 minutes, and then it will come all the way down. So we can easily make another 200, 300. Let us also look at YM. But yeah, when volume is good, you will easily, right? You can see the immediate impact. When volume is low, right? In this time there is not much volume for YM, but it is telling that YM also there is a potential for it to go down tomorrow. It went all the way up. It is at the top of the channel. So yeah, tomorrow we may see YM and RTY dropping. But now Asian market wheat will move well, right? YM, RTY, all the indices, all these are US indices. They move well in the US market hours. So in the morning at 8:30, 8:35, if we run and if we get these ones, we can easily take short only on these ones. But now ZW1 is a good ticker for us to go short. We can just wait. I can go to ZW, and I can, right, we can just add an alert here, right, so that we won't miss it. We can go to top trend, and we can say a sell alert. Whenever we receive a sell alert, we want to immediately get the short because it is at the top of the channel. There is a high chance for it to go down, and it is also moves well in the Asian market. Right? Commodities, metals, they all move, right? Commodities are generally which you can touch and feel, right? Wheat, gold, silver, All those are commodities. They move well during Asian market. Whereas SPY, NQ, ES, RTY, YM, they are indices, right? Futures for indices, which you cannot touch, right? Which cannot be delivered. So that's why they are, right? They move more during US hours, whereas commodities move more during Asia and Europe hours. So yeah, this is the next potential opportunity. We can make some good profits. So gold is moving like anything. Wow, we missed a nice opportunity here. Yeah, we did not miss, we made it, but yeah, if we waited for more time, we would have made a lot more, nearly $2,000 with one contract. Right, even silver also moving huge. We got a buy, keep on going up. Right, I told you, right? If you get a buy at the bottom, that is the best one. You don't miss those opportunities. Trend is bullish, buy at the bottom, we can make nice profits. If trend is bearish, sell at the top. So let us look at Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up and then again we get a sell signal on Bitcoin, that will be a good opportunity because Bitcoin is bearish. Oh, congrats. It's Gundlapalli. That's, yeah, PL also, right? I think, yeah, 165 and $85, right? That with just one contract. Right? In the PA account, a $200 with silver, 200 with GC, 200 with PA, right? Platinum in the live session, right? Before that, I already made some profits. So that is the potential with the prop firms. You can same trade, you can take in 10 different companies, right? Whenever you get a strong setup, right? Now we know that our gold was very good, bullish. This is bullish. This is bullish. So we waited for the buy signal. We did not take the sell signal. Right, we got the buy and it moved so much. Yet, if you are happy with 230 to $40, again, what is the potential? It may go all the way till here. Yeah, congrats, Bhaskar. Yeah, I see many members completed evaluation. That's good. Yeah. Again, if you want to get these indicators, you have to go to ninja underscore apex underscore bot. Right. Even before the session, I mentioned that, yeah, these are looking very good, very strong. Right. You can also hold silver for long time. Right. So that's what, if you watch the trend, if you watch the color, overall color, you know that there is a high potential for all these stick, right? These are the top three: silver, platinum, gold. They are in the, and silver is like very, very bullish. So members who are already on tier two or who subscribed for the training, they can share their TradingView ID, and I will give access to this these new indicators. Again, it will make your job very easy. You don't need to look at multiple. Just to look at one indicator. If color is green, you get a buy signal. Confidently, you can buy. You need to get a trading view. Tier 2 is mainly for 5 indicators, but because right we are yeah, giving some complimentary and giving more indicators this month. Right, you don't worry about too many indicators at a time. You practice one indicator and then just become perfect with it. Right. So members who are already perfect with few, they can go with some more. That's why I shared the document. But yeah, you can, right, you can make one money with any in one indicator by itself. But when you combine two or three, that will give you more and more assurance. But yeah, you can just start with this top trend or top indicator, or you can just right look at one of these scanners, or even if you look at, for example, where can silver go till this Monday high, last Monday high? This is the level, so it may go all the way and touch that point. That can act as a resistance. So even without, or if you go to some stocks, so you have previous week high here. It went, touched that, came down. Again, it tried to go up. Again, it came down. So tomorrow we may see much bigger drop in hood. So yeah, well, job market is getting more and more tough. It is better to right always have a backup plan, and yeah, because there is no competition in trading, right? We all can make, there is a lot of money, billions of dollars there. And with the prop firms, you have more advantage where you are not risking your own money. You are just learning and just executing your trades. Right? Just you follow it. You are right. You are following a system. Okay, if bullish, I will wait for the green color. I will wait for the buy signal and I take a trade. If something is bearish, you wait for the sell signal for the red background. Now we got a buy, but we are not taking it. Right here you have Monday high. It may go touch that Monday high or 4 hour open. Right, exactly touch that Monday high. We got a sell signal. If this color turns to green, that means this is the previous Monday. It went till this value. So it exactly went touch that level and it can start dropping now. So if this turns to red color, then we can get a short on the Bitcoin. We can sell the Bitcoin. Now we got sell alert on ZW. Right. So what is the potential for ZW to go down? Let us go and take a order submitted. Right. Again, if you see what is the overall trend for ZW, you can always add it. Actually, ZW. Okay. Yeah, but still, yeah, it went up to the top of the channel, came down, then small pullback. There is a potential for it to go to be this, or it may touch the Monday low. If it breaks the Monday low, it can come all the way to previous day low. PDL stands for previous day low. And Monday MD means Monday, 4 hour open. So all the highs will generally act as your resistance, all the lows will act as your support. Yeah, every day we are doing live sessions. Every day we are easily making $300-400. And right, once you learn, you don't need anyone. You can, yeah, you can also do Apex across the globe. Even from India, also you can do it. Flowbots is the good one. Flowbots is good one for the copy trading. So you can, when you are taking a trade, it gets copied into all different accounts. Yeah, it can touch this Monday high and then we may see a reversal. But yeah, because the trend is very bullish, we won't take the short. Yeah, it is up to you. You can trade it wherever you want, right? Same indicators you can watch and take gold trades, crude oil, or it is up to you, right? Only advantage with prop firms is you can scale up, right? Same trade in a personal account, you may trade one contract, two contracts. Here, even though you take one contract, you can copy the same trade in 20 accounts. That means you are multiplying your, for the same work, you are making 20 times of money. Right? Once you get 20 accounts from Apex, then you get another 5, 10 accounts from some other company. You can combine both. Whenever you take a trade here, it will get copied to 20 plus another 10, 30. Right? That is the advantage. Right? When you are in India, you have to just report whatever income you received and you pay it. So It will be like on futures, your tax rate also will be very, very low. In US also, right? Basically, they will send a 1099 at the end of the year. And you have to, based on the amount you made, you can, yeah, you have to report the taxes. So this is called as a channel. Generally, price goes to the top, bottom. Again, it goes to the top. Again, it comes down. Again, goes to the top. When it is bullish, if you buy at the bottom, that will make huge profits. When it is bearish, you have to sell at the top to make more profits. Yeah, I remember placing an order. ZMN4. Okay. Yeah, soya bean actually. It, yeah, we did not take on wheat. We only took it on the soya bean. So now silver went all the way to the top. If it touches this Monday high, then it will again start dropping. Generally, taxes on futures will be only 15%. Yeah, it is always right. Yeah, again, it touches that. Yeah, better to, right? If you want low risk trades, wait for the bottom or wait for the top. Then you won't make much mistakes or you will be 95% successful. If you ignore the middle signals, if you take in bottom or if you take it top, you will make more profits. right? These are the most bullish tickers. Silver, wheat is also still looking bullish. Gold, platinum, and then these are the most bearish tickers: Bitcoin, Ethereum, soya bean. So whenever these are the bearish tickers, we'll focus on the sell signal. Whenever we take the bullish tickers, we'll focus on the buy signal. And also, whenever we take a buy signal, we need to make sure the background should be green, the candle should be green. That's it. If we just follow that, then yeah, you will be fine. And even we can take Indian stocks. So, for example,
I sat in bed for like 30 minutes and I look at my. Hello? It-
there is a high possibility it went all the way, right? Zydus Life Science, it went all the way to the top. It may drop, but whenever we get it, because still it is green, right? Whenever you see buy in the and the background is green, you go long. You see sell, you just close the positions. Again, you see buy, again you buy the stock. Right? Again, you may see sell, you will not take the short, but whenever you see the buy, you go long. Yeah. Same thing with Balakrishna. Again, it may drop a little bit and it may go further high. JSW Steel is looking bearish. So whenever we get a sell signal, we can just buy, we can short the stocks, we can buy the puts. May come all the way till this 4 hour open and then go up. So yeah, again, right, you have unlimited potential. You can use with India stocks or India options, future stock, cryptocurrencies, everything.
Order submitted.
Because there is a Monday low. Monday low sometimes can act as a support, or it may come all the way, touch this one, touch the previous day low, and then it may bounce back. It went all the way to the top. We got a sell signal. But generally, we avoid the sell signal because the trend is bullish and also the background is green. Whereas here, if you see, okay, it took the profits on this one. We are not on this. Again, we can wait for the buy signal on silver and gold. Whenever we get the buy signal, again it can go up. Yeah, okay. India elections. You cannot trade stocks through TraderWeight or Rhythmic. For Apex TraderWeight. They are only for futures. No, I did not take a ZW short because yeah, it is overall very bullish. Right, we are waiting for the right because again, right, just follow the rule. We don't have a sell signal yet, and also it is in the bullish green zone. So until maybe it may do a double top, and we may get a sell signal, and if it turns to red, we can take it. As of now, yeah, we are still waiting. Bitcoin, we actually got the sell. Right. For example, when you are on the green zone, if you get the sell, you can wait until the background turns to red. Now the background turned to red. So there is a high possibility this time it will break the support. It will go all the way down. So I can go and short it.
Order filled.
These are
Order submitted.
just micros, so we can take multiple contracts.
Order submitted.
Right, we got the sell signal. We got a red candle. The background also turned to red. So we can take the
Order filled.
yeah. Once you right, I know many of you completed the evaluation today because both the gold, silver, platinum, everything moved well. So yeah, once you reach the target, don't take any more trades in those accounts. Right, and tomorrow you'll receive an email saying like, yeah, you completed the evaluation challenge, and you have to sign an agreement, and they will send you a new account which will start with the PA, right? And then whatever you make, first $25,000 is complete 100% yours. After that, it will be 90-10. So wait for the right setups and take the trades, right? As I told, if a ticker is bullish, if you wait for the bottom, you will make huge profits. If a ticker is bearish, wait for the top, you will make huge profits. No, congrats, Jagan. Yeah, right. Again, if you follow the system and follow the rules, follow the timings, this time is always better, right? US market sometimes it will be too much volatile. There will be sudden big up and downs. This time you can easily make $400-500 every day with each account. If you have 20 PA accounts, you can make 20 into 300, 20 into 400. Yeah, and once you make the daily target $300-400, you stop trading, right? Because it will be tempting to do more and more, but again, will give back to the market because once you make some profit, you will be overconfident and will take some wrong trade and will lose all the profits back. So that's why once you make your 300-400 per account is good enough. Every day we'll have opportunities, right? Every nearly last 2-3 weeks, every day we are trading silver and gold during this time. Every day we are making profits. Right? Some days it made quick profit. Some days we had to wait for more time. But yeah, during this time, if you take it, you can easily make without much risk. Yeah, you better take the trade weight plan so you can directly connect with the trading view. When you take trades here, they will happen in the MBT is very, very less. It is like right, just a micro. So it is very small value. So that's why because it is overall bearish, we can hold it for next 2-3 hours also. It is only like few for every point or something you make few cents. It is not much, right? You have to be very careful with NQ. NQ is the most toughest one. It can give huge profits. It can also give huge losses also. So that's why generally if you trade NQ during US hours, better you take micros rather than a NQ because NQ can yeah, suddenly go down, suddenly go up. It will have huge spikes. Yeah, you can even remove NQ from your watch list and just have MNQ because that will, right? Most of the traders lose their accounts EA or PA because of NQ because it will be very tempting because it can quickly move 30K, 40K. Yeah, 50K plan is better, right? If you're trading, 50K is a better one. Right? Start with watch which are the most bullish, right? Top two, top three. Which are the most bearish, top two, top three. Just focus on them. Whichever are bearish, wait for the sell signal on them. Whichever are bullish, wait for the buy signal on them. And whenever you get a buy, just check, okay, is my background green? Is the candle green? Then you can confidently enter. That's it. If you just to follow those rules, yeah, easily we can make $300-400 every day. Yeah, 300-400 for one account. Yeah, you can import all these ones. I already gave it, but I'm sharing one more time in the Zoom channel. You can add to your you can add in the trading view all the tickers. Right. Again, tomorrow I will demonstrate those scanners, everything. If we just follow this top trend indicator easily, right, without much confusion, you have everything clearly on one chart, one indicator. So just buy. because it is green, we won't take the sell. Whenever we get the next buy, and if the background is still green, we'll again go with long. So yeah, there'll be more opportunities with the metals. All the metals are very, very bullish. Silver, gold, platinum. So wheat, it may take some more time to go down. But yeah, it is still bullish. There is no sell signal. There is no red color until we see, right? Have the checklist on your table. Make sure whenever you take it, you initially minimum for first 3 days, 3, 4 days, you take one by one. Okay, is the candle green? Is the color green? Is if it is at the bottom, it will make more profits. Yeah, when it is bullish. If it is bearish, it should be at the top. Uh, yeah, I think right. We made our daily target, more than daily target today. Actually, we made more than $600-700 in the live session with the gold, silver, platinum, and this one also should make uh, ZM1. Yeah, just it may go a little bit down. Yeah, we'll take some small profits on this. Right, I'll open the session for the premium members. If they have any questions or if anybody need any support with replicant or copy trading or any others. So yeah, all the other members, if you want to, right? Yeah, if we can make $500-600 every day, you don't worry about small expenses. Just take some time to practice on paper account. Once you feel confident, you can start trading on the evaluation accounts and then performance accounts and then on the real accounts. Every day we are repeating the same thing. We are easily making $300-400 with silver and gold. So that's why I'm confidently telling before itself we can easily make some $400-500. And this we are trying to make it more and more easy for the users, for any new traders also to just understand when to take buy, when to take sell. Yeah, MBT, as I said, it is just micros and overall trend is bearish, so we can just hold on to that. Right, we took micros, they are like $10, $15. Even if it goes 50, 60 points, we don't need to worry much about MBT. Yep, that's it, everyone. So yeah, uh, talk to you in future sessions. Right, 399, you get the indicators which you are seeing. Right, as of now, we are giving all these indicators. Later, it will go much higher. But as of now, because these are like our second month with all the trading view indicators, we are giving 399 for you get all the indicators which I have shown you. Generally, the recordings I post them on the YouTube channel. If you go to YouTube, search on Right Choice Advisors, you will see all the videos. So this one also, I think, yeah, this also got filled. Right, I took small profits on the soybean meal features. And because there is a Monday low, right? As I said, the lows can act as a support. They may price, it may, again, overall it is bearish, but still it may go a little bit up. Again, we can take the next sell signal. Whenever we get the next sell, that time it will go all the way till the previous day low. And next time again it will go all the way here. And then next time it will go all the way down. So like that, there will be always little bit up and again come down, little bit up and again come down further. So we need to just wait for those sell signals if a ticker is bearish. Right, again, RC top is combination of all the indicators. So it is $399. You get RC top and also all the scanners. RC, right? We combined all the different indicator logic into one indicator, RC top and RC top trend. Right, and every day we are making $500-600. So that is very right. If you go in the market, these will be in thousands. Yet in the live session, we are taking trades and we are making a huge profit. So you can be confident. Yeah, right. I'll post the link in the premium group and members who need any support with Replicanto or anything, they can join and I'll provide, yeah, provide them the required support. For Ninja Trader also, we have some of these indicators, but we want everybody to, right? Once you become perfect with manual approach, then you know when to, right, when to enable. For example, if somebody, if you know that, okay, because gold is bullish, when you are manually trading, you can see all these things. You know that, okay, this is bullish, so it is better to not take a sell signal, right? You can always just enable a long only with Prism or Spectrum, and you can make profits. But without that, if you just take the algos, you will try to keep it on both directions or something. So once you understand these manual approach with the indicators, then you can use the Ninja algos in much better way, and you can make nice profits. Otherwise, because it is just an algo, it will take buy sell by itself. We'll try to keep it enabled throughout the day. And also, when the ticker is bullish, we need to put long only. When ticker is bearish, we need to use short only. Such type of things you will understand after trading, or using trading view for few days. So that's why we suggest yeah, start with trading view, and then once you feel confident with this, then you can move to, yeah, we developed a similar top trend and other things in Ninja also, but we want you to first to trade on trading view. Yeah, thanks everyone for joining in. And in 5-10 minutes, I'll open a new session for the premium members. Good night, everyone. Have a nice week.